Hi, welcome to this Excel tutorial video. Today we're going to look at the fill handle and how we can customize lists used by the fill handle. This video was recorded in March 2021 using Excel 365. So in previous videos we've looked at the fill handle and what this little box at the bottom right of a selection is the fill handle, and what it allows you to do is it allows you to follow a pattern down or across a list of cells. So if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I highlight those, there is a pattern there, and if I use the fill handle I should be able to drag it down and it will continue that pattern. I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8. If I grab there and I drag it down, it will continue that pattern. Same with dates. If I put a date, an incremental date, in fact, if I put the incremental date on, and then if I were to use a fill handle, it will continue that date for me. So it makes sense. There is a pattern there when it comes to dates and numbers that does make kind of a logical sense to use the fill handle for. But what the fill handle also allows you to do is it allows you to use text as a recognized pattern. So let me do Monday, Tuesday. If I could spell Monday, that is. So Monday and Tuesday is obviously followed by Wednesday. So if I highlight Monday and Tuesday and I start dragging down, it recognizes those days of the week. And then when it gets to Sunday, it goes back to Monday again. I don't even need to put the Tuesday. If I just put Monday, I can then start dragging. It says, oh, I know what that is. You want to put Tuesday next. I can also put Mon. And it will say, I think I know what you mean. Do you mean Chew, Wed, the... And it will do the abbreviated days of the week. And it will also do the full and abbreviated months of the year. Now these are... we can set these up. We can create our own custom text lists for the fill handle to recognize. So let us do that. Let me just highlight them and just insert some more blank columns there. If we go to File and Options, we get this box up that we've seen in previous videos. If we look at Advanced, and we go somewhere near the bottom, we've got this Edit Custom Lists. So if we click on that, you'll recognize that we've got 3 lists in there already, the ones that we've just been using as an example. And these are out the box lists that are provided by Excel. You can't amend them, you can't play with them. Quite obviously you can't amend them because they are valid lists. You can't mess about with days of the week and months of the year. They are, they're exactly what they are. But you can create your own. So let us say we want to create a new list. So we click on New List here, and let us create a list that is the colours of the rainbow. So what was going on there? That's very strange. I'm going to deliberately miss out the blue. Now if we click Add, that will add that for us. And if we then go to here, click OK again. If we come back to here now, if we put red in here and we start dragging down here, it should now follow our new pattern. It now recognizes red in this list. Or if I started at yellow, it should then go to green and carry on the in the same order as the list. Now what we are missing there is blue. Blue isn't part of that. So if I put blue and I drag it down, it will just repeat blue. It doesn't know what else to do. You're grabbing the fill handle and dragging down. I'll just copy what's already there. So let us go in here and let's amend our list. So we go to Advanced, we go somewhere near the bottom here to this Edit Custom List. Click on our list, and we need to put blue in here. And there it is amended. Click OK. Now, and click OK again. Now when we come back here and we put red in, oh, let's just change, we'll put orange, start at orange. And we drag it down, blue is now included. So if I put blue here, it now understands that blue is part of a list, and it will use that list that we've created, starting at the word blue. Now it's important to note that the lists run in the order that they've been created, so it won't try and put them into alphabetical order or anything like that. It will just put them in as they've been created in the setup. So it might be that you have a list of staff members or something that you're continually putting down when you're creating your Excel spreadsheets. You create them as a list. You start with the top person in your staff list, drag it down, it will fill everybody else up. So the last example that I want to show you here is we have an option to import lists from a range of data in Excel. So if we go back to here and go to advanced, and we come down to here, we've got this edit custom lists. We click on that. We have this option here, import lists from cells. So let's click on this little box here. Sometimes you've got a list that is a huge list, and this list that I've got is over 200 lines big. It's a list of the countries of the world, and I've downloaded it from a website, and I've put it into sheet 2. So 237 rows. I don't want to have to type them, so handily it allows me to do this import. So if I click on the top one here, if I do Control Shift and down, it will take me all the way down to the bottom and highlight the whole lot. You can see in here it's got sheet 2 and it's got my range. Now if I click on this button again, it'll take me back to here, and it says, okay, I want to import this range here. Let's choose import. And now you can see now that there's our new list, and you can see it existing in the custom lists area here. So if we click OK, now if I put, click OK again. Now if I click, if I type Cuba here, and I start dragging down, it will take, in alphabetical order, because that's how the list is, it will take the values from Cuba down following that new custom list we've created. The list doesn't reference this anymore, so we could change this list. We can add countries, remove countries, we can change the order, we can do as we please with this list. It doesn't affect our custom list anymore. All we were doing with our custom our import area was just to get it and import it. It doesn't reference it. It simply grabbed it and created this list, and this is what the full handle looks at. So you can play with that data, you can delete that data, delete sheet 2, and it won't have an effect on the custom list. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, if you have any comments or you want to like it or subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. Thanks.